Hey there, Batman fans. Anyways, we are back again, as you guys today. Yeah, Batman fans, we are back. And today, and I'm sorry we haven't done a video at all today. Sorry about that. I apologize, Batman fans. Well, today I'm gonna show you guys all my flashlights again. So this one right here, it doesn't work no more, but hopefully I'll find batteries for this soon. So here you go. So here's this one, Batman fans. Okay, put that to the side. I got this one. This was my first ever flashlight, Batman fans. This is my first ever one. And, yep, still works. So, okay. Next one is we got this little silver one right here. And this still works, I think. The batteries are almost dead on this one. Need to find new batteries for it. So, oh, here's this one. This little black one. Still works. That's good. And, okay. Here's this one. I remember, this one is the awesome one. I remember doing an unboxing video of this. Yep. And remember, you twist this to make the light go bigger, as you can see. And you twist it the other way, it goes small. I think, yeah. Yeah, see? And now it's small when you turn it on the other way. So yeah, this was the laser one. The one that I remember doing. I did an unboxing video a long time ago. Alright. Final flashlight. It's this one. You Batman fans are gonna like this flashlight. So this is the flashlight that did unboxing not too long ago. I remember you pull this up for a longer one, and you push it back down for a bigger flashlight. Now watch this. When you push it down, the light goes like this. Now if you pull it up right here, okay, now let's look. Oh wow, look at that, Batman fans. Awesome, right? I like this one. Wow. Wait. Oh, and also, of course, this part right here glows. This little red right here, if you can see. And okay. And now we push it back down. Boom, goes back to big again. I also have this blue one right here. It doesn't even work anymore. It's been having trouble, but still trying to find batteries for this, but once I will, hopefully. So yeah, Batman fans, that's all my flashlights. Oh, and I also have this lantern right here too. It's a flashlight. You press this button right here. You press it more, light or more. Press like this, lights more ton. Now, if you do this, it becomes red. Awesome, huh? And if you hold it again, boom, goes back to white. So yeah, Batman fans, if you like this video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. If you're new, hit that bell to turn on all notifications every time we do videos. Shout outs to all my Batman fans and YouTubers that subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section below which videos and games you subscribed, what videos and games you want me to do next. And yeah, Batman fans, this is your boy Batman Fan Toy Batman, showing you all my flashlights. So, yeah, Batman fans. So, I'll give you another look at my flashlights. Here's these two right here. Yep, these still work. Here's this silver one right here. Gonna need new batteries pretty soon. Here's this black one right here. It's upside down, sorry. Here we go. Of course it doesn't light yet, but it doesn't have batteries, but I'll find batteries soon of this. Here's, once again, this laser one right here that I showed you before. I'm still liking this flashlight. This is awesome. And now, for the other final one, is this one. You pull it up like this, Batman fans. Like this. Put it on. Becomes small. Now when you push it down, light becomes bigger. Yep. So yeah, Batman fans, this is your boy Batman, and also my lantern right here. This one, press it again, goes a little more, hit it again, like that. Now if you do this, red. So yeah, and if you do it again, it goes back to white. That's awesome. So yeah, Batman fans, this is your boy Batman Fan Toy Batman. If you like this video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit that bell to turn on all notifications every time we do videos. And shout out to all my Batman fans and YouTubers that subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. This is your boy Batman Fan Toy Batman. And also Batman fans, we will be doing videos. We'll be doing more videos tomorrow. I got you. And yeah, Batman fans. And I'm sorry I haven't done one at all today. I apologize. But I'm glad I'm doing one now. Anyway, Batman fans, this is your boy Batman Fan Toy Batman. And also please subscribe, keep subscribing to this channel. Show this channel some love and stuff. Please go hit that subscribe button to become a Batman fan and support this channel. This is your boy Batman Fan Toy Batman, and I'll see y'all in the next one. See ya, Batman fans.